Hey everybody. So now we'll be showing you where to see what invoice and how much amount has been paid per student. So to see that, we head on to the fee payment report. On this page, you see all the fees that have been paid according to the student number, and you even see the invoice numbers of the student that has been paid. Now let's take our previous example of the same student of ARM 001. Here you see that the student has a bus fee of 500 dirhams. So let's say we pay for the student. Once this payment occurs, now once the payment is successful and it happens, as you can see, the app will redirect you back to the dashboard. And if you head to the fee payment report and reload the data in the page, there you go. The student and the payment that has been done on the date for what against what invoice and the total amount paid, and it shows you on what module was that amount paid under. So under bus fees, total paid was 500 for the student ARM 01. If you also head on to the bank recon report, here you shall see the payment that was just made along with the details from the payment app for the bank reconciliation. The invoice number, the order ID, the processing status, the paid status, the payment ID, RRN number, and the card type. Even the request ID and all of it is saved into this report page on in the bank recon report.